Okay, folks, what we have here is we are going to transplant some stuff here. Got my little water tray here, a little flower pot, a little cheapy. You can get these at Home Depot for I think like $1.50, something like that, $1.45 I think, or $1.30. This is my aloe plant. This leaf actually broke off. It's been calloused over on both ends. Okay, and that's what you want. You want to set it out. Once a leaf were to break off, or if you want to clip a leaf off, just let it callus over. Dry out. In other words, and then from there, clean it up a little bit. Then from there, you want to get these little deals here, these little prickly deals. Okay, make sure those aren't damaged, because that's key. Okay, and then from there, you need cactus, palms, and citrus potting mix. You have to have a good potting mix for cactuses. This, for some reason, is soaking wet. I don't know why. If you haven't noticed, I have moved my table over here out of the sun because, well, that shit was hot as all get out. Let me get my knife here. Got another bag. There's a lot of moisture in this bucket. This bag is soaking wet. Damn. This is kind of sandy soil-ish kind of soil. It's got a little bit of sand mixed into it to give it some better drainage. A lot of cactuses and aloe plants and whatnot are they're requiring a lot of drainage. So that doesn't roll off the table. Okay, now what you're going to need to do, now I've done this a few times, and a couple times it actually, the leaf just, the aloe plant leaf just kind of dried up and died off. Only out of the 3 times I've tried this, literally only once was it successful. Just like planting everything else, you need to make a little hole, about 1.5 inches. You go ahead and bury it. Okay, make sure that it's good and buried, good and planted. Like I said, you need those little prickly deals on the side, because that's where the roots are actually going to come out and start to grow. And then from there, what you do is you put a little water in there, and well, then you're good to go. And that's it, folks. A little short video for you, and how to transplant a aloe plant leaf, so it'll continue to grow. There you go.